We be rising every day. What's going on, beautiful people? I hope you're doing amazing. Coming to you with another video. Today it is on fiber. Do we really need fiber? There's so many different diet camps out there, and a lot of people have varying opinions. But I'm coming to you with the nutritional research and science on fiber. Fiber is extremely important. And fiber has many important roles in the body, primarily related to digestion, heart health, and overall well-being. Now, fiber also supports a healthy gut. It feeds the beneficial gut bacteria. It acts as a prebiotic to maintain a healthy, balanced microbiome. Also improves digestion and prevents constipation. It adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass. So it keeps bowel movements regular. And low fiber diets, so ones that are high in animal protein, animal foods, because they don't contain any fiber, are associated with constipation, GI disorders, diverticulitis. They put you at risk for colon cancer, while a high fiber diet may prevent these problems. Fiber in the diet may also reduce the risk of appendicitis. And fiber is found exclusively in plant foods. Studies also suggest that higher dietary fiber intake is associated with a lower risk of all-cause mortality, meaning a decreased likelihood of dying from any cause. That is huge, you guys. There's one meta-analysis in particular that showed that higher total dietary fiber consumption significantly decreased the risk of all-cause mortality, cardiovascular disease-related mortality, and cancer-related mortality by 23%, 26%, and 22% respectively. A large prospective cohort study indicated that higher intakes of dietary fiber, fruits, and vegetables may reduce both overall and cause specific mortality rates. So for every 10 gram per day increase in fiber consumption, there's a 10% reduction in mortality risk. So it is important to make sure that you are increasing your fiber and eating enough fiber-rich foods throughout the day. Intake, they say, for 25 to 30 grams from sources such as whole fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, whole grains, legumes, and some nuts and seeds. So these findings really show the importance of including fiber-rich foods in your diet to promote longevity and reduce the risk of various diseases. I hope this video helps you out, and I hope you be getting in some fiber-rich foods today. We'll see you guys in the next video.